Hey guys, thanks for watching. So in today's video, we're gonna go for this look. This is a red eye smoky look. I really wanted to do it for Valentine's Day, have this video up and going, but it just wasn't able to make it happen. So that's okay. We can always do it for after Valentine's Day. It's so gorgeous. So first what I wanted to do is I'm using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. I went with Leon Fresco, which is like an antique lavender and it has like a matte finish to it. And I just picked up the brush that actually came with the kit. And I'm using the flat end of it to just highlight my crease area. And I just go in with like a window wiper shade. Next, what I did is I went in with Love Letter and I just went right over that fresco color. This is the flat end of the brush. And I went with red ochre, which is like a sienna color. It's also like a matte. And I just went right on the outer edge of my eye in a really bold pat down of it, and then I went in with the blending brush and I just kind of blended it all in. Next I took my Fit Me Shade 10, it's concealer that Maybelline uses, and I just opaque the inner crease of my eye. And that's just going to really help later when I put the lighter shades on my eyes. So I go back in with the Fresco shade. Really is such a pretty shade. I'm just using a tapping motion when I apply this, just so that the glitter doesn't get everywhere. So there you can see like my before and after. My other eye popped so much more than the alternate eye. Now with that red, I'm just going to go right in between that shimmery white and that Love Letter red that we did. You got to be really patient for this, because you don't want to blend the colors. Here I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is just like a black shade. Dries fast, easy to control, like really easy, ladies. I'm not even gonna lie, like I used to have this other one. It was so bad. It was so messy, and this one just goes on super, super easy to control. Now with Tempera, on that brow arch. So I always do like a little bit of mascara before putting on the fakie. So this one I actually got from TJ Maxx. Eye Candy is what it's called. It comes with some glue. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Be sure to click below, like, and be sure to subscribe.